Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Tim McCourt, Global Head of Equity Index and Alternative Investment Products at CME Group, to discuss the launch of micro Bitcoin futures taking place today, May 3rd. Tim, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Yeah, thanks, Jill. Always a pleasure to be here.
All right, Tim, this is exciting news. We know how much investor interest on the retail and institutional side is taking place in Bitcoin and crypto in general. Tell us about the launch taking place today.
Yeah, today's a truly exciting day for CME Group, our customers in the marketplace, with the launch of the micro Bitcoin futures contract at CME Group. The contract represents 1/10 of one Bitcoin, so that's 1/50th the size of our current Bitcoin futures contract that we launched back in 2017. And it's really exciting because as the cryptocurrency enthusiasm in the marketplace has continued to grow, the price of Bitcoin has continued to appreciate. So really, just as a function of price, we've had to introduce now a smaller contract that offers more precision, more flexibility, and more choice to all types of clients, whether they be institutional or active individual traders, that now they can access the Bitcoin market or hedge some of their Bitcoin related risk with a much smaller right-sized contract. And we're off to a great day one so far, trading about 5,500 futures contracts so far today, which is great for any futures contract, but we're really excited to have it here on our micro Bitcoin futures contract today.
And Tim, overall, how are the Bitcoin futures contracts trading?
It's been great. You know, we've launched the other 5 times Bitcoin multiplier, our regular or older sibling Bitcoin contract continues to do really well. It had a record Q1 here in 2021 with about 13,500 contracts trading per day. We had a record in Q4 of last year of about 110 large open interest holders. Open interest was at a record in Q1, volume at a record. So it's been really great just seeing institutional adoption continue to advance here at CME Group, and also Ether futures. You know, remember now micro Bitcoin is our 4th cryptocurrency product, but we also have Ether futures that we launched earlier this year, and they had a record last month in April, trading about 5,600 futures contracts one day. So all things crypto are growing at CME, and we're really excited about the progress we're making to date.
And Tim, to wrap up here, when you think about the micro futures contract for Bitcoin, is this also, or is it more appropriate for retail investors and advisors since it gives them a little bit more flexibility?
So the size of the contract is really because the contract itself, historically, the BTC contract has grown so large, about $300,000 in notional size. This contract at 1/10 of one Bitcoin, for all intents and purposes, let's call it a $6,000 contract. So certainly more appropriate for some of the participants out there, but not just active individual traders. We're hearing great feedback from institutions, from hedge funds, from option traders. Everyone can benefit from the more precise contract, but I think that's certainly a key feature that makes it exciting, is that smaller bite-sized precision they can now have. They can have it in Bitcoin like they do with some of our other micro E-mini contracts at the CME. It's been a great recipe for success, and really excited to see how it works out here for micro Bitcoin.
All right, Tim, great to catch up with you as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.